In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Telegram. If you're getting unwanted messages or you just need a little peace and quiet, blocking is a quick way to stop someone from contacting you directly. I'll walk you through two simple methods from a chat and from your settings. I'll mention the small differences between iPhone and Android so you can follow along on any device. First, open Telegram. From your chat list, go to the conversation with the person you want to block. This method is great when the chat is already visible and you want to act quickly. At the top of the screen, tap their name or profile picture to open their profile. This brings up their details and the options you need. Next, look for the menu. On Android, tap the three dots in the top corner. On iPhone, tap Edit or More depending on your app version. In that menu, choose Block User. Telegram will ask you to confirm, so tap Block again. That's it. From now on, they won't be able to message or call you directly, and you won't receive notifications from them. They aren't notified that you blocked them, and you can come back to the same profile later to unblock if you change your mind. If you prefer to manage blocking from a central place, you can do it through Settings. Start on Telegram's main screen and open Settings. This is where you control your account and privacy options. Tap Privacy and Security to access tools that help you manage who can reach you. In Privacy and Security, select Blocked Users. This page shows everyone you've already blocked and lets you add new people. On iPhone, tap Block User. On Android, tap the add symbol, then choose the contact you want to block from your list. This approach is handy if you want to review or manage multiple block contacts in one go, or if you don't have an open chat with the person. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you ever need to reverse the change, you can return to blocked users in settings to remove someone from the list, or revisit their profile and unblock there. Also, keep in mind that blocking stops direct messages and calls to you. It doesn't remove past messages from existing chats. For most people, these steps are all you need to regain control over your inbox. That's the process, start to finish. Open Telegram, use the chat profile route for a fast block, or head into Settings, Privacy and Security, and Blocked Users to manage everything in one place. Thanks for watching and take care of your digital space.